Have you ever thought about what a symphony and a modern workplace have in common? They both thrive on diversity, the harmony of different instruments playing together in a symphony, and in the workplace, the blend of generations working together. From baby boomers to Gen Z, we're in an era of unprecedented generational diversity in the workplace. It's like a grand meeting of time travelers from different eras, each with their unique gifts and perspectives. Let's look at the numbers. By 2023, Gen Z and millennials make up 62% of the global workforce, while Gen X and baby boomers comprise the remaining 38%. That's a workplace where employees' birth dates span almost 60 years. Now you may wonder, what's the fuss about all this? Well, research by Diversity for Social Impact in 2023 found that companies with multigenerational diversity have a 20% higher employee satisfaction rate and are 12% more likely to surpass industry norms in profitability. That's a win-win situation for everyone, isn't it? Let's think about how this applies across different industries and organizations. Take the tech industry, for instance, which is often filled with digital natives from Gen Z and millennials. The older generations, the baby boomers and Gen X, can offer stability and a rich understanding of historical trends. Similarly, in healthcare and manufacturing, the blend of generations results in a balance of fresh, up-to-date education and valuable practical experience. It's the perfect mix of tradition and innovation. And this isn't just a big corporation thing. Small and medium enterprises, startups, they all stand to benefit from a multigenerational mix. Let's take a peek at some companies doing this right. There's this global tech giant that made conscious efforts to recruit and retain older generations and saw an 8% increase in employee engagement and a 7% rise in innovation. Impressive, right? Another instance, a leading healthcare provider implemented a reverse mentoring program, leading to a 10% improvement in patient satisfaction scores. Who said you can't teach an old dog new tricks? So what's next in managing this time-traveling workforce? More research, for starters. We need to understand more about what makes each generation tick. We also need to revise and innovate our policies. That could mean new ways of working, flexible benefits, different training programs, all tailored to the needs of each generation. And let's not forget the leaders. They are the conductors of this generational symphony. They need to excel in managing diverse teams, fostering a culture of respect and inclusion. In conclusion, managing a multigenerational workforce isn't just about dealing with diversity. It's about harnessing the potential of every generation. It's about making the symphony play in perfect harmony.